We create an instance target group and set the port as 8080 because our application is running on 8080. And then we change the health check settings to change the success code and folder 4 because there is no health check setting in our Java application, so we need to change the success code. We also need to change the health check path into our service name, but currently we haven't created our service, so we will change it later. So we select next, and we create the target group. This is the target group we just created. And we refresh it, select the backend target group. After that, we select to create a load balancer. This is our load balancer, and this is our target group. After creating this, we also need to register the target, register our backend e-commerce EC2 target. So after that, we need to set our load balancer and target group in our ECS service. We refresh it and select the backend load balancer. And we add this to our load balancer. Select the 80 port and select the target group. And we select next step and create the service. Now we can see our service is here. And we can see there is a task which is in the process. Also for the application load balancer, there is some delay of the health check, but we can see there might be an error in our target group health checks. We can see the target group is failed to run the application, and now let's change the health check path to the service name, and then register the service again. And refresh it. And waiting for the response. So let's see, because we have just created the load balancer previously and we didn't set up the security group. So let's add the inbound rows. This inbound rows to the load balancer security group and put the outbound rows as all traffic in the load balancer security group. So, and then we go into our EC2 dashboard and go to our ECS instance security group. And we also need to add the security group here to add this 80-80-443 inbound rows and add all traffic as the ECS EC2 instances security outbound rows. So after that, let's register our instance. So we have already created the task definitions. The task definitions of backend 2, and we create a new revision here and keep all the settings. This is the settings. Create a new revision and create a service for the version 2. This is EC2 service. This is service 2. Number of tasks 1. and register to our new created load balancer ALB2 and add it to the listening port and the target group. You see, this is our previous health track path, so we need to change it later and create service. And now let's go into our registered load balancers and go to our target group. We need to change the health track path into the service 2, and we need to register our application. We can first try to register 2 port, and then let's see which port can pass a healthy track. Okay, the service has been created, and let's see the tasks here. This is service 2. The load balancer is, we need to wait for it. And we can see there is one healthy track here. The port 80 is healthy, and now we can check. There is one unhealthy, so we deregister the port 8080. Only keep the port 80. Oh, there is one healthy track and one running tasks. And we can copy the public IP address and see PIP product. We can see the product has been fetched here. This is the product information, and this is what we run our backend app, push our backend app to the Docker and connect to our EC2 instance and create load balancer, create target group, and change the healthy group for both our load balancers and our EC2 instance for our ECS, and then change the service name in the health check path of our target group, and finally run the public IP here to check if it's running successfully.